Hello there, YouTubers. This here is a switch for chute rotation on my Craftsman Professional Snowblower, and I noticed that I had to play with it quite a bit to get it to go, and it's over $100 in Canada to replace one of these switches, and so I'm gonna give something a try here. And what I'm gonna do, it's gonna be kind of difficult to try and hold this camera. Actually, what I'm gonna do here is, what I'll do is I'll point it out and then I'll just pause this there. But on here, at this spot here, on both sides, I'm gonna stick a screwdriver in there and pry this cap off of here. So I'll pause and I'll be right back. So and you have to just do it on both sides, kind of wiggle it out slowly. Okay, so I've wiggled it out a bit there. It's just about ready to pop out, and it comes off like that. Make sure that this is room temperature. You warm it up a bit so that plastic is not brittle. And then now we have another piece that we have to take apart, and that is these here clips. And right at the bottom, you can see that these clips, or these straps, are holding the other two pieces together. So I'm going to take a screwdriver and I'm going to pull these out and then disconnect. I'm going to pause it again and I'll be right back. Okay, I've loosened them up. You can see how those clasps are loose. And now this is going to come apart. Now, inside here, we've got this little pivoting apparatus. So these contacts hooked up to these posts. And it goes I'm going to go in here and I'm going to take these guys out. I'm going to clean them with solvent, and either with a very super fine emery, or I might just use contact cleaner. In the old days they used to use a brand new dollar bill, something just very fine to wipe on those contacts, and I'll put it back together and see if I can save myself $100. Here's the contacts removed. I don't know if we can bring it into focus here or not, but you can see, that's where they meet. Just going to clean up those contacts. And inside here, let's see if we can get into there. You can see the other contacts which correlate with these pins here. Just going to clean them, scratch them, whatever, just to kind of get a better connection on them. And on the other side, like when you drop these bad guys back in, there is a little tiny piece of grease. I think I'm going to be able to just not bother with that grease at all. I don't think it's going to, don't need to wipe it off. I'm just going to leave it as is. It's the contacts that I'm more concerned with. We'll clean them up and put it on and see if it works. Okay, so what I used is some lock de-icer onto a Q-tip. And you can see this one here is I cleaned this one up already with it. So you can see the difference between that one and that one. So, and I might just take a blade and see if I can just scrape off the rest of that. But that seems to be cleaning up that contact. I still have these other ones to clean up inside here. So we'll do that, but it seems to be working. And I think we'll just leave it at that. I'll put it all back together and see if it works.